Hey guys, Robb Holland, Pikes Peak hill climb champion. We are here at my shop, 3R Performance in Denver, Colorado, to talk to you about HELLA brake systems. When braking performance matters, compromise is not an option. That's why professional drivers use HELLA calipers. It all starts with the caliper. The fact that the caliper is stiff and light and designed correctly for repeatable stops time after time is the single most important piece of any braking system. Every caliper is built to stringent safety and performance standards, ensuring consistent braking force, durability, and reliability on the road or at Pikes Peak. Most SKUs include vehicle-specific brackets and accessories, reducing downtime and eliminating guesswork for the tech. With coverage for over 87% of the European vehicle fleet and rapidly expanding US applications, HELLA delivers the right solution right now. Every component is backed by full traceability and audited manufacturing processes, giving you confidence from sourcing to final assembly. HELLA's cast calipers feature advanced surface treatment, improving corrosion resistance, extending service life, and maintaining performance under harsh conditions. These calipers are plug and play. They include everything that the dealer needs to install them, including brackets. Precision engineered, designed to install easily, built to last. HELLA calipers.